that one.
Mike, we have to do it again because he pressed stop.
No, we'll just cut it and then we'll keep going. It's fine.
I don't like that.
Well, just say he stopped it and then. All right, so show me where the fuse is on this, man. Shine the flashlight.
Mike, I don't
No,
like.
shine the flashlight. Where's my lighter?
Mike, I don't like this. Can we start over again?
No, I'm not fucking starting over again.
Why?
It's fine.
No, it's not. Can we just start?
Stop. Just do it.
No.
I stopped it, but it's fine.
No. Like it.
All right, we're gonna be lighting off the mini Roman candle by Glorious brand.
Mike,
I like this one, man. I light it up. I don't know if that's where the fuse is.
Mike, film this.
I don't know. Do it again. Is that not the right way? All right, film it. It's going up. On. This is 10 shots by Glorious.
I did not get that one, Mike,
Why?
because I had it facing the wrong way.
All right, keep going. It's fine. It's fine. Keep going. All right. Now we're gonna get something else.
Feel that shit's hot. Let me just put that in there.
All right, we're gonna light off this Flower Peach Fountain by Shogun.
I can't see it though. It's your video, so.
Fine.
Oh, I have the camera facing the wrong way. Shine the flashlight. Your camera.
Sorry, I had the camera facing the wrong way.
Your camera sucks. It's not.
I have to get. It's fine. All right, now come. Now we're gonna set this. We're gonna set this fountain off.
Sorry, guys. We're doing a trial. We're doing a trial and error.
All right,
I'm gonna do the mortar.
you'll do one of them. All right, film it.
Mike, I can't get it. Oh, I think I had the camera facing the wrong way again.
It's fine.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Chris, you can like this one.
Which one is that? The mortar?
No, the M100. Same M100. Now we're lighting off an M100 rocket. If you like whistle, which I'm a big fan of anything that whistles, this is super loud.
Mike.
It's fine. Just film it the way you're filming it. You see it?
Oh, I can't get it. The camera's messing up. Like, it's not even getting it. Okay, all I see is my face.
Oh, you gotta switch it then.
How do you switch it?
Sorry, don't light this one off yet, man. Little technical difficulty.
Got the lighter, man?
We gotta stop